This is the unboxing of the iPhone 13 mini. The iPhone 13 mini is the last iteration of the small iPhone, and we didn't get an iPhone 14 mini. The 13 mini features a dual camera system that provides excellent photos and videos and also improve low light performance. Inside the box you get the 13 mini and a lightning to USB-C cable. The 13 mini is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which provides fast and efficient performance for a lot of tasks. The thing that I like about the 13 mini is its size. The small size of the 13 mini does not let you down because it can do almost everything that you can do on the 13 Pro or the Pro model of the iPhone. iPhone 13 mini has a longer battery life compared to the 12 mini. The 12 mini had an issue with battery. Most of the users reported to have a lower battery life compared to the regular iPhone 13 or the iPhone 12. With the iPhone 13 mini, you're going to have 5G connectivity, providing fast internet speed and improved performance for a range of applications. Nowadays, we use a lot of streaming. This device is capable of streaming any type of application or anything that you need to stream through the internet. It has a fast 5G connectivity. The iPhone 13 mini charges faster than the iPhone 13 due to the size of its battery primarily, and also it has similar charging speed as the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. Compared to the iPhone 12 mini, the 13 mini is the one to get because it solved all the issues that we had previously on the iPhone 12 mini, and it improved the battery life, and also the charging speed is a little bit faster than the 12 mini, and we have a better camera system with upgraded cameras on the 13 mini. Overall, if you like small devices, you're going to love the 13 mini over the 13 Pro or the 14 Pro.